work this way. So when you get to the industry and you see what people are doing, you won't see it as a new thing. It's something you have already seen, and you can also interpret what they are doing. Okay. So first step, we divide this S-curve stage into 5 beautiful stages. So and these stages are just pretty simple. So first, we say you should export your data to Excel, and that's the first thing we need to do. The second one, we say you should clean up your data, remove some unnecessary column, change the data name, the table names, you change them, right? Then you put the appropriate rows that you want. Then the next one is you format your table, make it look beautiful. The fourth one, you plot your graph. The fifth one, you format the same graph. That's all. Then, but the step we are trying to use now, we'll go a little bit deeper. It's still the same process, but at the end of our formatting graph using S-curve, we now need to develop a small template. So we'll write some Excel formula such as VLOOKUP. I think that's just the formula we are going to use. So we'll just use HLOOKUP. So remember, we have VLOOKUP, we have SLOOKUP, we have HLOOKUP. So the one we want to use basically is HLOOKUP, right? Just use HLOOKUP and look up for the value, and we pick them up. And that's what we intend to achieve today. So all hands be on desk. We're going to walk through the process. Just be observant. If at any point you are lost, please call my attention, or you can't hear me, please prompt me. You can also use the WhatsApp chat box. You can prompt me so that I will of course give you attention. Okay, just to validate. Hope everyone can hear me. And okay now, hope you're in now. So am I audible? Hello, can anyone hear me? Please, if you can hear me, you can unmute and speak.
Yes, sir, we can hear you, please.
Okay, so first step is exporting the data, and in exporting the data, we follow one step. Just click on project and select resource assignment. That's just it. So when you open resource assignment, basically I do advise, try as much as you can to set up your resource assignment window. And how do you set it up? If you come under your resource assignment, you see my own. I can minimize them on my same WBS I created in the activity side, and you see all the whole WBS. So if yours, you are not able to minimize it based on WBS, possibly is on resources or any other thing, so you need to set it. How do you set it? Under this area, you right click, right? When you right click, you select group and sort. You go to customize, then you come here, you just type W, right? Type W, press enter. It will give you this, you press apply, and that's all. So we are done with it. Okay, so my own just disappeared because I did same. So let me recustomize it and also do the same thing again. Okay. So this is the resource assignment section. Now, next thing you need to bring out is the unit. Okay. Let me under the unit. If your own is not showing this, we just need these
we
two
just need
items,
these
which
two
is
items, which is
budgeted
budgeted and
cumulative
cumulative
budgeted. Okay,
budgeted.
they are
Okay,
all
they are
budgeted
all
unit
budgeted
or
unit
cumulative
or
budgeted
cumulative
unit.
budgeted unit.
If yours is not
If yours
showing
is
this,
not
please
showing
you
this,
go ahead
please
and
go ahead
update
and
it. You right click here, you take spreadsheet field, go to customize, under cumulative, under time interval, you go to unit, you look for budgeted unit, right? You bring it out here. The same thing, you go to cumulative up, you open cumulative, you go to unit,
you go to
you
unit,
bring
you
cumulative
bring
budgeted
cumulative
labor unit,
budgeted
you
labor
bring it
unit,
out here.
you
So
bring it
that's how
out
you
here. So
get these
that's
two
how you
things.
get these two things.
Okay, so
Okay,
make sure you
so make
have
sure you
the
have
budgeted
the
labor unit
budgeted
up,
labor unit up, budgeted unit
and the
up, and the
cumulative unit
cumulative
down.
unit down.
So that's how
So
you
that's how
have these
you
two
have these
items,
two
and
items,
it's pretty
and it's
simple.
pretty simple.
Now the
Now,
next
the
thing
next
we
thing
need to
we need
do
to do
is the settings based on date.
is
So
date.
in setting
So
date,
in
you need to
certain days, you need to
revalidate the
revalidate
reporting
the
date.
reporting date.
If you are reporting on
If
a
you are
weekly
reporting on a
basis,
weekly
you
basis,
set it on
you set
weekly.
it on
If you are
weekly.
reporting
If you
on
are reporting
monthly,
on
you set
monthly,
on
you set
monthly.
on monthly.
For me,
For me,
I'm reporting
I'm
on
reporting
weekly.
on weekly.
So and
So and
that's why
that's
mine
why
is on
mine is
weekly.
on
So
weekly.
to set
So
it
to
on
set it
weekly,
on weekly,
you just right
you
click,
just right click,
you click on
you click
field,
on field,
and
and
you click on
you
time
click on
scale.
time scale.
So time
So
scale will
time scale
open.
will
You just
open. You
come here,
just
make sure
come here,
that
make
this
sure
is
that this
PS.
is
PS
PS.
means
PS means
earliest project
earliest
start.
project start.
You can click
You
here to
can click here
select
to select
anyone,
anyone
to select
to
it if it's
select
not
it if
what
it's not
you
what
are
you
seeing
are
on this
seeing on this
particular time
particular
scale
time scale
start.
start.
So next thing,
So
make sure
next
it's
thing,
on
make sure
3.
it's
I
on
like
three. I
seeing
like
3 so
seeing
that I will
three
be
so that I
seeing
will
the
be
year as
seeing the
well.
year as well.
3 lines.
3 lines.
Right, so
Right.
come
So
down here.
come down
Under
here.
the
Under
is,
the
make sure it's
is
on
make sure it's on
calendar, and
calendar.
if it's
And
on
if
week,
it's
you
on
take
week, you
month
take month
stroke week.
stroke week.
If you want
If you
days, you
want
take
days, you
week
take week
stroke days.
stroke day.
Then if you
Then
want
if you
month, you
want
take
month, you
year
take year
stroke month.
stroke
So
month.
you can
So
go
you
up
can
and do all your selection. Okay, and that's all. You will see it
go
here.
up
You will
and do
find
all your
that
you
here
see it
is
here.
on
You will
weekly
find that
basis.
here
August
is on weekly
11th,
basis.
going
August
to
11th,
7 days
going
plus
to 7
11th,
days plus
we
11th,
give
we
18.
give
Next
18.
one is
Next one
25.
is
Okay,
25. Okay.
so that's
So
how
that's
we
how
won
we
over
went over
this.
this.
All right,
All
so
right.
that's
So
all
that's
you
all
have
you
here.
have here.
So now
So
you
now you
minimize it to
minimize it
this
to this
level.
level.
Make
Make
sure
sure
you are seeing
you are
only the
seeing only the
WBS.
WBS.
Why why we want
Why
it
we
like
want
this
it
is
like
that
this
if
is
you
that
don't
if you don't
minimize it
minimize
and you
it
do
and
your
you do your
copy,
copy,
you will copy all
you
these
will
activities.
copy
See
all
all
these
these
activities,
activities
see
here.
all
You will
these
copy all of
activities there,
them,
you copy all of
and
them. And
it's not gonna make
it's
sense
not gonna
because
make sense
actually you don't
because
need them.
actually you don't need
So
them.
you're gonna make
So
your
you're gonna
work
make your work
rough and
rough and
confusing. So
confusing.
that's why you
So that's why
must
you
minimize
must
it based on
minimize
your
it based on your
WBS level
WBS
2.
level 2.
Okay,
Okay.
James, I saw your
James,
hand
I saw
up.
your hand
Let's
up.
take your
Let's
question.
take your question.
Okay, the question is, I want to know the difference
Come again with the question.
between cumulative.
Sorry, come again with
Sorry,
the
come again with
question.
it.
We can't hear
We
you.
can't hear you.
Units. I want to know the difference between budgeted units and cumulative units.
Okay,
Okay, good
so
evening, class.
Okay, so
yeah, I
yeah,
think I
yeah,
heard you
I
now.
think I heard you now.
So when you talk
So when
of
you talk of
budgeted unit,
budgeted
right,
unit, right,
is the
is the
unit you have
unit you have
budgeted to
budgeted to
deliver the
deliver
job.
the job.
So it's
So
being
it's
gotten by
being
the
gotten by the
resources you
resources
decide to
you
use
decide to use
times the duration they
times
are
the
going to
duration
work,
they are going to work,
right? Now
right?
the
Now the
cumulative is just
cumulative is just
addition of
addition
those
of
budgeted
those
labor units
budgeted labor units
based on
based
daily
on
or weekly or monthly basis as the case may be. Now look at
daily
what
as
happened
the
here.
case may be. Now look at what happened here.
So look at what
So
happened
look at
here.
what happened
If you
here.
look at my
If you
screen,
look at my
August
screen,
4th, the
August 4th,
budgeted labor
the
unit
budgeted labor
is
unit is
143.
143.
Then when you look at
Then when you
August
look at
11,
August
is
11, is
164. So sorry,
164. So sorry,
243 on the
243
4th,
on the
and
4th, and
on 11th is
on 11th is
164. So
164.
now if
So
I
now
go
if
under
I
the
go under the
cumulative, you will be
cumulative, you will
plusing
be plusing
140,
140,
243 plus
243 plus
164. This is what you will
164. This
have
is what you will
on
have
this day.
on this
So
day.
the cumulative is
So
just
the cumulative
addition of each of those
is
days,
just addition of
right?
each of those days,
Till
right? So
from the beginning to the end.
from the beginning to the
So let
end.
me go.
So let me
Okay,
go.
look at it here.
Okay, look at
The
it here.
first day,
The
which is
first day,
July
which is
30th.
July 30th.
Sorry, by June
Sorry, by
30th,
June 30th,
we have 70. So by July 7th, we have 139. If you add them together, it gives you the cumulative. July 7th, you bring down the cumulative, is only in July 30th is only 70, we bring it down. Then July 7th, you are seeing only is 137 plus 70, it will give you 208. Then by July 14th, we have 243. We add it up to 208 here. It will give us 451. So cumulative is a summation of all the budgeted labor units on an interval basis, based on the interval you have selected. If you said your interval is 1 month, that's what you'll be seeing. You'll be adding it up every 1 month. It becomes your cumulative. Okay? Chijioke, I don't know if that's clear. Chijioke, I don't know if you can hear us. So always take note that you don't need to bother yourself. Just bring at this cumulative details and the budgeted pieces. We use the hand and do all the summation for you. So yours is to bring it out. So pieces is very intelligent, and if we do all the calculations for you, and yours is just bring it out and work with it. So this is the first stage, and what I need to do in this first stage is I'll click on this budgeted, right? Hold down my shift key, go to the last one, click on cumulative budgeted. I will select everything here, and on my keyboard I will press Ctrl+C. Please understand this method. I'm using Ctrl+C from my keyboard. I'm not right clicking. Please take note. I'm using Ctrl+C, and these particular WBS are not open. These are the policies you need to, the principles you need to understand and follow them when you are doing your own. Okay? And for those in last class, remember I did only for the first one, which is the project name. But now I'm doing for all of them. Remember I said we are going to elaborate it a little bit. Okay? So now I will do Ctrl+C. I will just go to my start bar, and I will open Excel. So this is my Excel. My Excel is up. I will paste the data here by doing Control. I will paste the data here by doing Control V. Okay, so this is one we did last. So I will open this one here, and I will do Control V. So automatically you will have a data like this. Now it looks somehow rough, but nothing to bother yourself about. Please take note. I know the first one we did, which was this one here, it was only this data, and it was pretty simple. But in this time around, we are doing another one. Okay? Now, all you need to do is to start separating this data, as you can see them. First separation is, I will separate the top here. I will insert one column. Okay, this is the process of cleaning. What I'm doing is to clean up the data. Then second one is this data. You will be seeing what we call the budgeted labor unit and the actual. And the cumulatives. You see them two. So I will start separating them. This one is the project name, right? I will separate it by creating, first of all, I will create 4 columns here. One, this is 2, 3, 4. 4 empty space. I will insert 4 empty space here. After the fetch budget, I will insert 4 empty space. Okay, I just selected 4 rows, and I will right click and I say insert. I will still do it for the next one, but the next ones I will be inserting 3 only. 3 empty space. So I'm just separating. This one is preliminary. I will separate this one here, which is okay. Now go ahead.
I was not seeing your screen initially, like the Excel work you were doing, but it just came up now.
Okay. Okay, so I will do for engineering. So this is supposed to be mobilization. So I don't know why it's showing me human resources. It's supposed to be mobilization. Okay, so I'm just separating these ones with three lines. So you will get to understand the reason as we proceed. But just note that it's just the process. So I'm done after this. I'm done with the separation. So after separating it, the next step is to start writing the names at the beginning. So the first one here, you will put the names under this coding that contain this spreadsheet field, right? You put what we call project overall, or you say overall progress. So I will write overall progress. Okay. I'll write overall progress. The next one, I will put preliminary. You can come here and copy it, or you type it. The next one on top here, I'll put preliminary. The next one here, I will put this is mobilization. Then this one is engineering and documentation. I can come here, copy it, and I press it here. Okay. This one now is procurement. Then this one now is site works. Then lastly is the mob and closure. So I can just come here, copy it. Okay, so this is fine. Next thing I need to do is to do some deleting. From here till the end, I don't need it. So I click here and I delete. I select everything and I say delete. So I'm left with only this. Right? Let me just put an empty. Let me insert an empty cell here so that there will be just some margin. Okay, so first thing now is to start renaming. Okay. Under here, which is the spreadsheet data, I change it to date. Then under the budgeted labor unit, I change it to plan. I change it to planned man hour. I will abbreviate the man hour. Then under here, I change it to cumulative planned man hour. Okay, so the next one now, I will put cumulative planned man hour percent. So I'm gonna convert this to percent. I just copy it and paste it, and in brackets, I'll add percentage sign. So the next one, I need to give additional space. My calculation was wrong. I need to give like 2 space additional. Okay. Next one here now, I put what we call the actual man hour. So the next one, I put cumulative actual man hour. The next one, I put cumulative actual man hour percent. So I put the percentage at the back. Okay, in a bracket. Yeah. So I'm done with this. So I need to copy this thing and paste it. So for the next one, I just copy the the plan man hour and cumulative man hour. I paste it here. Then next thing I will do is okay, sorry, I need to copy 3. Although it's gonna be 4 anyway, but I will take the first 3 first. 1, 2, 3. I will paste it here. So I miscalculated. So I need 2 spaces. I need the additional 2 spaces. Okay. All right. I just added additional two spaces. So here I will take this three. I will paste it here. Then I will take this last one. And I will paste it here. So that's what I needed from this. This I will just copy the 4 now and paste it in all of them. I will take this 4. I will paste it in all of them. What is happening now? Okay. Sorry. Okay. I will paste it in all of them. I will also do it for this. And lastly, I will do it for this. Okay. So I'm done with the renaming. So this is just the renaming. So the major thing is in the first renaming. In the first renaming, you rename about 4, right? In the second one, you just rename only. You just add only cumulative plan and then cumulative actual percent. Okay. I will tell you the reason why. Okay. We just have to do it like this. Then the next step is the next step we need to do is to move our data 1 week backwards. So all our data will be going backwards with 1 week. Okay. So I'll just come here, select this first cell, send it to the last. I'll move it till I get to the last data. Look at the last here. Okay, I will scroll up to make sure it's the last. Pretty fine. I'll also go back to make sure I'm getting all the data. I will do Control X. So the X is to cut. I will click on the second cell here, which is 7th of July. I will say Control V. So I've moved my data 1 week backwards. Now look at the reason for that moving. Let me explain it. If you go to my schedule here, my project is starting on the 1st of July. So if I'm starting on the 1st of July, I'm not expected to send report on the 1st of July. But when you go to our S-Corp, you find out that our S-Corp is reporting first report on the 31st of June. 31st of June, we are not yet on site. Right. So what I need to do is to move it 1 week backwards, because I'll be doing my report. If I start on the 1st and I work 1st to 6th or 1st to 5th, I will send the report on Monday. So that's why I need to move it 1 week backward. Okay. Then I will add 1 week forward. So when you now come here, now this extra 1 week, I'll just do equal sign plus. I will take this. I will say plus 7. Remember, I did it in our last one. I did it at the beginning, and I used minus. But now I'm moving it backwards, so I'm using a plus. Right. So what I did was to make sure that I have dates on this last day. Okay. So at the last day will not be empty. Yeah. So now I will use 0 to populate this. So I'll just come here. I'll type 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah. So here I have only 4 now. I'll copy only 4 and paste it in others. So take note. I'll just copy 4 and I will say Control V. Control V. Control V. Control V. Okay, pretty fine. I'm done. So now next thing is I can now start applying my formatting. Okay, I want it to look beautiful. In fact, I just want it to look okay. This is the time for you to start doing it. Okay, so I can now come here. Let me say here, you can use any color, but nevertheless, let me just use a simple color. There's a color we used last time. Okay, let me say I'm using this color this time around. Let me say I'm using this color. Okay. Let me use this color. Let me bold this. And yeah. So let me
So
just
let
take
me just take
one of these
one of
and
these and
I will use
I will
paint.
use paint.
I know most of
I
us know how
know
to
most
use
of
the
us know how
paint
to
too.
use the paint
I
too.
will use it to
I will use
format
it to
all
format
this.
all this.
Sorry, I don't want
Sorry,
to
I don't want to
format.
format.
I don't want to
I don't
format
want to
the first
format the
one.
first one.
The first one
The
I will
first one
format
I
it
will format it
separately.
separately.
So I can
So
just
I
come
can
here,
just
click
come here,
on
click
this,
on
I
this,
press
I
this.
press this.
I come here,
I
click
come
on
here,
this,
click
I press
on
it here.
this, I press it here.
So instead of doing it
So
one after the
instead of
other, the
doing it one
painter
after the
tool
other, the
helps
painter
us to do
tool
it
helps us
faster.
to do it faster.
So always remember
So
to use
always
the painter
remember to
tool.
use the
Is
painter
a
tool.
good tool
Is
to
a good
duplicate
tool to
format,
duplicate format,
colors,
colors,
um,
um,
anything on your font
anything in your
size
font
or
size
your
or
self
your
formatting.
self formatting.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm done with the
I'm done
code
with
color.
the
I don't
code
want to
color.
do
I
it
don't want to do
individually. I
it
just want to
individually.
do
I just
everything
want to do
together.
everything together.
Then for
Then
this
for
now,
this
I
now,
can
I can
select this.
select this.
First thing I need to do
First
is
thing I
to
need to do is to
expand it. I
expand
don't want to do
this.
it
I don't want to
manually.
do
I
it
go to
manually. I
format
go to format
and I say
and I say
auto fit
auto
colon
fit
width.
colon width.
All the
All
whole
the
date
whole
we
date we
expand to
expand
each
to
size.
each size.
The next thing I
The
will do
next
here
thing I
is
will
I
do here
put
is I put
format color.
format color.
Let me look for a
Let me look for a
color that
color that
can.
can.
Okay, let me use
Okay, let me
this.
use this.
I will also
I will
bold
also
it.
bold it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I
Okay.
think it's
So I
pretty
think it's
okay.
pretty okay.
Then
Then
before I
before I
proceed, I
proceed,
need to
I
start
need
putting
to start putting
formulas before I
formulas
do the
before I do
last
the last
formatting,
formatting,
so that
so that
I will not
I will
use
not
that
use that
formula
formula
and work
and
with
work with
others, because I don't
others
want
because
to
I don't want
repeat
to repeat
anything I'm
anything
doing,
I'm doing
based on the
based
fact
on the
that
fact that
everything I'm going
everything
to
I'm
do
going to
here
do here
is a
is a
repetitional
repetitional
stuff.
stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
So now,
So now,
first step
first
is
step
I'll
is
come
I'll
back to
come
add
back
my
to add my
formula.
formula.
The first
The
step
first step
here.
here.
Okay, let me
Okay,
just
let me
finish the
just finish the
formatting at
formatting
once.
at once.
So next thing
So
I want
next
to
thing I want to
format here
format
is
here
this
is this
cell.
cell.
This
This
particular cell
particular
that
cell that
contains
contains
cumulative
cumulative
plan.
plan.
Cumulative plan
Cumulative plan
percent. I will
percent. I will
select it.
select it.
I will
I will
select it.
select it.
Okay.
Okay.
I will
I
change
will
the
change the
background color.
background color.
Let me
Let me
use
use
this.
this.
I will
I
put
will put
the
the
font color
font color
white.
white.
Okay, I will
Okay, I will
center
center
it,
it,
position it
position it
well.
well.
I will make
I will
it
make it
percent
percent
and I will
and
make
I
it
will
two
make it 2
decimal
decimal
points.
points.
That's all.
That's all.
I will
I
go
will go
to this
to
last
this last
one,
one,
the same
the
thing,
same
but
thing,
I will
but I
change
will
the
change the
color
color
this time
this time
around.
around.
Okay, the
Okay, the
cumulative actual
cumulative
percent.
percent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I will change
I
the
will change
color.
the
There's
color.
nothing
There's
in
nothing
it,
in it,
right? So
right?
it
So
doesn't
it
have any
doesn't have
issue.
any issue.
But I will need
But I
to
will need
format
to
it. I
format
make
it.
it
I make it
percent,
percent,
make it two
make it 2
decimal
decimal
points.
points.
Okay, I will
Okay,
still
I
go
will still go
ahead,
ahead,
position the
position the
center.
center.
Then I'll
Then
change
I'll
the
change
font
the font
color.
color.
Let me
Let me
make it
make it
black.
black.
Then I'll
Then
make
I'll
it
make it
white.
white.
Let me
Let
bold
me
it
bold
as
it
well.
as well.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
I think
I
this
think
should
this
also
should
be
also be
bold.
bold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Pretty
Pretty
fine.
fine.
That's just
That's
it.
just it.
Then I
Then
need
I
to
need to
use these two
use this
color
to color
now
now
and
and
autofill
autofill
others.
others.
So I will
So
just
I will
select
just
this color
select this color
first.
first.
I will select
I will
this color
select this
first.
color first.
Instead of
Instead of
duplicating effort, I'll
duplicating
click on
effort, I'll
printer.
click on
I will
printer.
come
I
anywhere
will
I
come
see this
anywhere I
plan
see this
percent, I will
plan
just click
percent. I
on
will
it.
just click on it.
It will give me the
It
same
will give me
format.
the same
I
format.
will come
I
here, the
will
same
come here
thing.
this time.
Okay, James, let
Okay,
me
James,
pause.
let
Go
me
ahead with
pause.
your
Go ahead with
question.
your question.
Thank you so much. This color from I think it should use the one that is more visible so that we can see the numbers, the figures.
Are you not seeing the
Are you not seeing
numbers?
the numbers?
It's very stressful to do.
So for the coloring, I think the
So
coloring
for
makes the
the
number to
coloring,
come
I think
out.
the
The
coloring makes the
white
number to
background
come
on
out. The
black
white background
font
on
is
black
okay.
font is
The
okay.
same thing with
The
the
same thing with
brand.
the brand.
Okay. So,
Okay.
but you can use
So,
any
but you
color
can
of
use
your
any
choice,
color of
but
your
just
choice,
understand the
but just
pattern.
understand the
Okay.
pattern.
Now
Okay.
remember, my
Now remember,
focus
my
is always
focus
on
is always on
cumulative
cumulative
plan
plan
man-hour
man-hour
percent
percent
and
and
cumulative
cumulative
actual man-hour
actual
percent.
man-hour
Here,
percent.
that's the
Here,
only
that's
two
the
things
only
I
two
have
things
to
I have
format.
to format.
That's just my
That's
focus.
just
So
my
now,
focus.
since
So
there are
now,
two
since
and
there
all
are
these
two
ones
and all
obey
these
the
ones
same
obey
two
the
two
same
together,
two
so I
together,
will take
so
these
I will
two.
take these two.
I will
I
select
will
these two
select
and
these
use it to
two and
format
use it to
others.
format others.
So, but I'm just showing the simplest method to do all these things so that I will just come here and I will click on format. I will click here. It will just format two of them for me. I will click on this one, click here, I will click on this one. Click here. So I will scroll down. So why I'm actually formatting this is not for anything, it's for accurate recognition. I don't want a situation whereby I want to update on actual percentage completion and I'm picking the value for plan. So I want at every point I know the value I'm picking. So now I'm done with the formatting. So all the formatting here is 100% completed, except these particular cells. I can decide to format this one separately. Okay, so I can decide to format this separately, but let's leave it for now because I would like to merge it. I would like to merge it and give it a unique background. So, but if I merge it now, it will affect if I'm trying to select this data. So I will leave it and do it later. Okay. So now the next step here is to start putting your formulas. Okay. Now one of the formula we are going to put is this. I will convert this particular one. We have the cumulative here. We have the budgeted unit here. So what I will do here is to divide the budgeted labor, the cumulative by the total budgeted labor unit. That's just what I will do. And I activate percentage already. Remember this percentage has been activated. So it will now convert it to percent for me. So I will write equal sign. I will click on cumulative budgeted labor unit. I will press division sign. I will say divide by, I will type sum. Okay, I will type sum of, I will select all the whole budgeted labor unit. I will select all the budgeted labor units, right? I will close it. Then I will lock this cell. So in some systems, you need to press F4 to lock it, while in some, you will type the $ yourself. I'm locking it because I want to autofill. So when I'm autofilling, it should not duplicate or it should not pick another value. It should only pick the value within range, which is the selected value. Okay? So I press enter. So automatically it's giving me 0 because it's 0. Yeah. 0 divided by 0 or 0 divided by anything gives you 0. So I will now place my cursor on this autofill sign. I will drag. My intention is to get 100%. Let me see if I will get it. Good, 100%. So automatically you have 100% here. Okay, as soon as you get 100% here, it means you are okay. Then for the actual, I will not do anything here for now. Reason be that I don't have any value. So and if I do it, you will not understand. So when we started putting values in the actual, I will tell you how to write the formula that will give you the percentage as well. So but for now, we will leave it empty. Then next thing is I will go to this one, which is the planned labor unit, okay, for preliminary. So instead of repeating what I did, I will just come here, copy this, do Control C, I will paste it here, Control V. So I will instead of doing it manually, I will now click to adjust the formula. You see, the formula is picking this, but I want it to pick this plan hour. I will place my cursor here till it forms 3 stars. I will drag it down to cover this plan hour, and I will press enter. I will come back here and I will drag this to the end. So automatically, I'm done with this one. I will pray for it to give me 100%. 100%, I'm done. So, but in reporting, this project stops here. Look at where it stops. At here, it has given you 100%. After 2 weeks, you have got 100% here. Okay? So the preliminary is just 2 weeks activity. That's what he's telling you. So I'll come here again. I will copy this. I will come here. I will paste it. I will do the same thing. Click on formula. I will place my cursor here till it forms 4 star. I will drag it down. Make sure you position it well. I'll press enter. I will drag this again. So there are a lot of ways to do this. I'm just showing you only one method. So you can also decide to do them manually, one after the other. There's no issue. But because of time, okay, that's why we choose to do it. So I'll copy this again, Control C. I will paste it here. I will click on this formula. I will drag it down. I will press enter. I will come here and I will drag it to the end. Okay, 100%. So if it's not 100%, there's something we would have done. But since all of them is giving us 100%, so there's no need of doing it. I will do the same thing here. I will drag this one down. I'll press enter. I'll go back to that cell. I will autofill it. 100%. Okay, now look. This one is not 100%. So we need to do something different. Take note. So we must balance it 100%. So the question remains: the total sum of this boyetele unit is not equals to 480. Now we need to find the difference. I will select it. I will select the total boyetele unit. Okay, so I will check here. It's giving me 481. So what I need to do is I will come to the last one and just add 1 in the front, or I will remove 1 from this one. So but I will just come here, I will put 481. So it will just give me 100%. So you can see it's now 100%, right? Okay, sorry, I will remove 1. Let me remove 1 from 7. Let it be 6. Okay, so everything will now give me 100%. Okay. I will go to the next one, site works. I will still do the same copying. I will paste it. I will click on this formula. I will drag it. I will come down. So I will drag it to the end. This one is giving me 102%. So something is also wrong. Okay. It's more than the value. So I just need to increment it. But to know exactly what to increment, I will select this. The total value here is 836. I will select everything on it. Just want to be sure. So this one is 835. So the same one, that's what we just need to add. 835 and 836. So I just come here and I will add 24. So it's giving me 100%. So please learn how to resolve this. It's a common issue. It's a common error that normally appear each time we are doing this. Okay. So the last one, mobilization, I'll just drag it down. I'll press enter. I will save this off. Okay. So I'm done with the formula. So this is the formula I need. So this one, the same thing. Instead of 32330 is giving me more than that. So I just write this one is 239. I can just add one value here, making it 56. So it gives me 100%. So that's just how to get it. So now I'm pretty done with the formula. So this is just the formula. So I don't know if there is any question. So if there are questions, please feel free to ask before we go to the next stage. Okay, Blessing, go ahead.
Please, sir, I do not understand what you just did now.
Which aspect?
Over 100%.
Okay, so I've done it 3 times. And what I was doing is pretty simple. If the value is more than, it means that the man hour is less. You need to add. So how do you know what to add? You sum it together. If I sum this total man hour now, right, I'll be able to know exactly. If I check here, you see, normally, this is we give you the value here. Sorry, Excel gives you the sum and count and average at the first bar of Excel. Watch my cursor, you see where I'm pointing at. That's where Excel is showing you the sum. So instead of coming to type sum and select them, I will just select it and go and check the summation that Excel is giving me. So with that, that's where I'm telling you is this number. I will now know what to add. So if perhaps the total here is 841 and the cell is giving me that the upper one is 840. So I need to add 1 in the upper one. So I just add 1 in 78. I will add 1, making it 79. Automatically it will normalize. You understand? Blessing, do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, sir, please, if I got it clear, What I'm trying to say is that for to resolve the issue, we just need to add extra one whenever we encounter such.
Not at all.
Not at
I
all.
don't say you should
I
add
not
one.
say
You
you
must
should add
confirm
one.
the
You
value
must
to the
confirm the value to
added.
the
Sometimes it's
added.
5.
Sometimes it's
You will
5.
add 5.
You will
Sometimes
add
it's
5.
10.
Sometimes it's
Sometimes
10.
it's 2.
Sometimes it's 2.
That's why you are
That's why you are
confirming the
confirming
difference
the difference
between
between
the
the
cumulative and the
cumulative
difference
and the
between
difference
the
between
plan.
the plan.
Let me do it
Let me
again
do
for
it
you.
again
So,
for you. So,
but if you
but
understand
if
it,
you
you can go
understand it, you
ahead.
can go
But if
ahead.
you are
But
not
if you
clear,
are
so I
not
will
clear, so I
redo it
will
so you
redo it so you
understand. I'm
understand.
just telling you
I'm
the
just telling you the
method,
method,
how to
how to
confirm it.
confirm it. Hmm?
You can use
You
any
can use
method.
any
You can even
method. You
start
can
using
even start
calculator
using
to
calculator to
plus each of
plus
the
each
value,
of the value,
right? But
right?
Excel
But
has a
Excel has
feature
a
that helps
feature
you
that
to
helps
get
you to
those things
get
by
those things
just
by just
selecting them.
selecting them.
It gives you the
It gives you the
sum
sum
average
average
and also give you
and
the
also give you the
count.
count.
And that's the
And
one
that's
I'm
the one
using. So
I'm
instead
using.
of
So instead of
even summing it
even summing it
separately to
separately
know
to
the
know
exact
the
value,
exact
I
value,
just look
I
at
just look at
the
the
taskbar,
taskbar,
take the sum
take the
value,
sum value,
know the
know the
difference, and I
difference,
add the
and I add the
difference to
difference
the
to the
plan value.
plan value.
It will
It will
normalize to
normalize to
100.
100.
Do you
Okay,
Do you
understand
sir,
now?
sir,
understand
please
now?
just redo. Yes, sir, but please just redo another one. Let me watch you
So,
do it.
okay,
Okay,
look at this
look
last
at
one.
this
This
last one.
last one
This
now,
last
after
one now,
dragging it, is
after
giving me
dragging it, is giving me
144,
144.
right?
Right?
Can you see it?
Can you
100
see it?
and
100 and
100%,
100%,
100.44%. Can you see it?
100.44%. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want it to be
Now I want it to be
100%. So
100%.
what I need to do
So
here
what I
is,
need to
first
do
of
here
all,
is, first
this
of
one
all,
is the
this one is
cumulative.
the
Cumulative is
cumulative.
just
Cumulative
adding
is
all
just
these things
adding all
together
these
on
things
an
together
interval
on an
basis.
interval basis.
If I add,
If I add,
look at cumulative
look
there,
at
if I add
cumulative there, if I add
30 plus
30 plus
45, I will get
45, I will
82.
get 82.
If I add
If I
82
add
plus
82
45, I
plus
will get
45, I will get
227. If
227.
I add
If I add
127 plus
127
47, I
plus
will get
47, I will get
275. If I
175.
add
If I add
175 plus
175 plus
55, I will get
55, I will get
230.
230.
So now this
So now
one
this
is just
one
the
is just the
cumulative of what is
cumulative of
up
what
here.
is up here.
Then there is
Then
not
there is
difference.
not
If I
difference.
sum
If
this
I
thing
sum
together,
this
let's
thing
say I
together,
just
let's say
come
I
here
just come here
and I say
and I
equals
say
to, I will
equals
say
to, I
sum
will say sum
the upper
the
one, which
upper
is the
one, which is
projected
the
labor
projected
unit or
labor
man
unit
hour,
or man hour,
is giving me
is giving me
229 instead of
229 instead of
230
230
cumulative.
cumulative.
So I cannot do
So
the
I cannot do
minus. I
the
will say
minus. I will say
230
230
minus
minus
229. I will find
229.
out
I
that
will
it is
find out
1.
that it is 1.
And since it's 1,
And
I will
since it's
just
1,
come
I will just
here
come
under
here
this
under
51
this
and put
51 and put
56 to
56
make it
to make it
230.
230.
It will not give me
It will not give me
100%.
100%.
Listen, I don't know if this
Let's now, I
one is
don't know if
clear
this one
now.
is clear now.
Yeah, it's clear. Thank
So,
you so much, sir.
but what I'm
But
doing,
what
I'm
I'm
not
doing,
using
I'm not
this
using
sum.
this
This
sum.
sum that I
This
did,
sum
I'm
that
not
I
using
did,
it.
I'm not
What I'm
using it.
doing
What
is,
I'm doing is,
Excel has a
Excel
feature
has a
that
feature
tells you the
that tells you
summation
the
of
summation of
item
as
when you
item
select it.
when you select
So
it.
I select
So I
everything
select
here.
everything here.
Excel will
Excel
automatically give me the
automatically give
summation
me the
here. It says
summation here. It
sum
says sum
is equals
is
to
equals to
230.
230.
So before it
So
was
before it
55,
was
it will be giving
55, it
me
will be giving me
229.
229.
And when it gives me
And when it gives
229,
me
I don't need to
229, I
do
don't need to do
calculation now.
calculation now. By
Mind looking
looking
at
at
it,
it,
I
I
will
will
find
find
out
out
that
that
this
this one
one
is
is
230,
229 is just
229. It's
1.
just 1.
I will add
I will
1
add
in
1
any of
in
these
any
cells.
of
You can
these
add
cells.
it
You
in
can
any
add
of
it in
these
any
cells,
of these
not
cells,
must that
not
it must be
must
the
that it
last
must be
one.
the last one.
Any of these
Any
cells
of these
up,
cells
it
up,
will give
it
you
will give you
100%. So
100%.
that's just
So
what we
that's
are
just
doing.
what we are doing.
So if that is
So if
clear,
that is
we
clear,
can now go
we
into
can
the
now go
next
into
stage.
the
So the
next
next
stage. So
stage
the
now
next
is
stage
where we
now is
create
where we
our S
create our
curve.
S curve.
Are we
Are we
together?
together?
So the
So the
process of S
process
curve
of S
remains
curve
the
remains
same.
the same.
The S curve,
The S
remember, I
curve,
have
remember, I
different
have this
subunits. I have the
sub-units, I
mobilization,
have the
but I'm going
mobilization,
to
but
use
I'm
the
going to use
overall
the
for my S
overall for
curve.
my S curve.
So it's only
So it's
overall
only
you'll be using
overall you'll
for
be
S
using
curve.
for S curve.
If you also
If you
watch the
also
one we
watch the
did in the
one we
last
did in the
class, it's
last class,
also the
it's also the
overall that we
overall that
use.
we use.
But that
But
one, we
that
did not
one, we did
bring the
not bring the
individual
individual
WBS. We
WBS.
just
We just
we brought out
we brought
only
out
the
only the
overall, and that
overall, and
was
that
what
was
we use.
what we use.
Okay.
Okay.
So in this
So in
case
this
now,
case now,
in our
in
case
our
here
case
now,
here now,
so we
so
have
we
both
have both
individual
individual
WBS, which is preliminary
WBS, which is preliminary
mobilization, engineering,
mobilization,
and all the
engineering,
rest.
and all the
But
rest.
we
But
are going to use
we
only
are going to use
overall for
only
S curve.
overall for
So
S curve.
the
So
same process
the
of process f4 remains the same process. First of all, select everything that you want to plot. You select it. Okay, so when you are done selecting it, you click on insert. You go to chart. You can see the chart area here. You click on this small icon here to see all. It will open like this. You go to all chart. Then you select combo, right? you will see something like this. Now you start. Because our interest is the one that we colored, which is the cumulative percent, plan percent, and cumulative actual percent. So you will make sure that those two are in line. Line means a line graph, and you will check the good at the secondary axis. So I will locate the first one, cumulative actual percent, is already in line. I will just check the good here. You will not see anything on this diagram because there is no value in the actual here. We have not started the project. When we started updating the project, the value will come. We'll start putting it in. So you will see this one, cumulative actual, will make it cluster. I will click on cluster here. I have changed it to cluster. Cumulative actual man hour itself, I will also make it cluster. So what I'm looking for now is cumulative plan percent. I will make it a line. I will come here and make it a line. And not just line, I will click this axis. So you will now see the graph up here. So only two lines that you need, which is the percentage. Plan percent and cumulative actual percent. That's what you need to convert to line. Others should stand as a bar. That's what we mean by cluster column. I will now click OK. Now I've clicked OK here. I don't want to cluster this page because this is my tracking sheet. I want to move this. I want to use this Scurve now to create a dashboard. So I will move this Scurve to another page. I just say Ctrl S to cut it. Sorry. Okay, so this is the Scurve here. Okay, so I'll just click on it, right? I will cut it, Ctrl S. I will now open another page and I'll paste it. Okay, so I just do Ctrl S and Ctrl V. Now under here, I will start formatting this Scurve. I will start formatting this Scurve. So the formatting now, I want to use it to create a dashboard. Please take note of that. But before I do that, I will just format it to look a little bit good and pleasant to the eye, right? So first thing I will do is I will expand it. Just drag by the side to expand your chart. So this one is Excel work, it's not planning work, okay? If you don't know how to format chart, you can also go to YouTube. Just learn how to create and then format chart. Yeah. So I will just drag it like this. I will drag it to expand it. Now, remember I said this line, all this line that is following the Scurve is the cumulative plan man hour. We don't need it for any reason. So first thing I do is I'll come here, click on it. Select only it. I will delete it. Next thing I do is to click on this bar. This long ones, I will delete it. So this is the bar that I needed. This is my main focus. So the next thing I will do here is you can do any type of formatting you want. You can use this design from you can use this one from Excel. You see, click on design, select any format you want. Okay, let's just select this one. But sometimes this one looks somehow. People don't like it anyway. So, but let's just select it. Okay. Now you have something like this. I can put a title on it. Okay. I will click here. Ctrl A. I will put progress Scurve. I will put progress Scurve. Okay. I may also come down here. I can say this chart, let me increase it. I can come down here just to change the color. Let me make the color. Let's put the color. Okay, let me change the color. Let me increase the size, make it more thicker. 3.5. Yeah, it's okay. And okay. So I think pretty fine. Yeah. Okay, I can put. Let me put some. Let me add legends. So under legends, I want to have the left. Okay, so let me put this legend top. Okay. Then let me add Aziz title. Okay. Yeah. So under here, I will change this one to man hour. I will change this one to plan man hour. Okay. Then I will
Then I
change
will
this
change
one
this one
to
to
cumulative
cumulative
percent.
percent.
I'll change it
I'll
to
change it to
cumulative plan
cumulative plan
percent
percent
or
or
cumulative
cumulative
percent.
percent.
Cumulative man
Cumulative man
hour,
hour.
I will
I
put
will
a
put a
bracket, I'll
bracket.
put
I'll put
percentage
percentage
sign.
sign.
Okay, so
Okay,
this one, I
so
will
this
change
one
this
I will
one
change this
to
one
date.
to date.
Under here, I will
Under
change
here,
it
I will change it
to
to
date.
dates.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
you can
I
also
you
go
can
ahead
also
and
go
change the
ahead and
color.
change the
So
color. So
let me
let me
put a good
put a good
color,
color.
make it white,
White.
bold it,
Bold.
increase it
Increase it
to
to
11.
11.
Do the same
Do
thing
the same
here.
thing here.
White
White
11.
11.
Okay,
Okay.
and white.
And white.
Do the same
Do
thing
the same
here.
thing here.
Make it
Make it
11.
11.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
The same
The
thing
same thing
likewise here. Let
likewise
me
here.
just
Let me
make this
just
one
make this
white
one white
and bold
and
it.
bold it.
The same
The
thing
same
here.
thing
I'll
here.
make it white
I'll make it
and it's
and
already
it's
bold.
already
Okay.
bold. Okay.
So I'm
So
done with
I'm
the
done with
graph.
the
This is
graph.
just your
This is
S
just your
curve
S
graph.
curve graph.
I'm done,
I'm done,
right?
right?
The next thing
The
is
next thing is
the
the
template I want to
template I want
create.
to
Okay.
create. Okay.
Now I will
Now
start
I'll start
beautifying
beautifying
my
my
template, right?
template, right?
First thing I need
First
to
thing I
do
need to
here
do
is
here
I will
is I'll
create, let me
create,
bring
let me
down the
bring down
graph
the
some more.
graph some more.
I will
I
come
will
here.
come here.
Under here,
Under
I will
here, I will
type
type
project start
project
date.
start date.
Let's say
Let's say
project
project
start
start
date.
date.
Okay.
Okay.
I will give
I'll
one
give one
space. I will
space. I will
type
type
project finish
project finish
date.
date.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I
Then
will
I will
give
give
another
another
space. I will
space.
put
I will put
data date.
data date.
So each of
So
these I
each
will
of these
put
I will put
semicolon in
semicolon in
front.
front.
I will put
I will put
semicolon in
semicolon in
each of their
each of their
front.
front.
Okay.
Okay.
So this
So
is pretty
this is
fine.
pretty fine.
The next thing
The
I need
next
to
thing I
do
need
here
to do here
is
is
the project
the
start
project
date.
start
I will
date.
just
I will
come
just
here.
come here.
I will
I
click
will
here. I
click
will say
here. I will say
equals to.
equals to.
You can
You
type it
can type it
manually,
manually,
but you can
but you
still go
can
and
still go
link
and
it
link
to
it to
here. I will
here.
come
I will
here.
come here.
I
I
will
will
do
do
project start
project
date.
start dates.
I will
I
click
will
here. I'll
click here.
press
I'll press
enter.
enter.
This is the
This is
start
the
date of
start
the
date of the
project is
project
up
is
here.
up here.
I will
I
also
will
click
also
here. Say
click here. Say
equals to.
equals
I will
to.
go
I
to
will
the
go to the
last
last
item,
item,
which is the
which is the
finish
finish
date.
date.
I will
I will
screw
screw
to get
to
the
get the
last
last
date.
date.
This
This
the
the
project finish
project
date.
finish date.
Also
Also
remember
remember
that you can
that you
type
can
this
type
thing
this thing
manually.
manually.
Okay.
Okay.
Then for
Then for
data
data
date,
date,
all I need to
all
do
I
in
need to do in
data date
data date
is
is
for
for
data
data
date.
date.
Let me
Let
just
me just
expand this
expand
one
this
some
one
more.
some more.
Okay, let me
Okay, let
take
me
two
take two
column here.
column here.
I don't
I
want to
don't want to
expand it
expand it
more.
more.
I will
I
just
will
take
just
two
take two
column here
column
for my
here for my
data
data
date. I
date.
will
I
merge
will
it.
merge it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Now I will
Now I will
apply some
apply some
colors here
colors here
and put
and put
title for
title
this
for this
project.
project.
So I will
So I
come
will come
here
here
and I will
and I will
just
just
click
click
here.
here.
Okay.
Okay.
From
From
here,
here,
I will
I will
merge it
merge it
together.
together.
I will
I will
merge this
merge this
together. I will
together.
say
I will say
merge.
merge.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I
Then
can
I can
put.
put.
I
I
can.
can.
Okay.
Okay.
Here
Here
now I
now
can
I can
now
now
write the
write the
title for
title
this
for this
project. I can
project. I can
say the
say
title
the
for this
title for this
project
project
is
is
let's
let's
say
say
progress
progress
an
and
installation
installation
of
of
16
16
inches
inches
5. Okay, so I will bold this. First of all, I increase the size. Let me make the size to be 20. Let me put wrap. Let me make it center. Let me bold it. Okay. Yeah. So I will change the background color. So I will just put. Let me put this. Okay. Let me put this color. Then under here, I will also change the same background color to this. I will also bold it. And yeah, the front is pretty fine. So what I will do here now, I will just put. I will just add a border. Okay. So let me give space off so that the beauty will be coming out. I will add the border here. I will add another border here. Okay. Then under here, I will reduce this and I will just merge it with no color. I won't put any color, so just to maintain the white color here. So it's just a game of choice, right? So the data date is this. I don't have any issue with it. So, but I will change the color. I will change the background color to this. And I will also bold everything here. I will bold it. Because it's data date, I want to increase the 11. While the date itself, I will make it 14. Because I want the date to be noticeable. Yeah. So I will also keep it up and I will change the font color. Let me use a color that will be sparkling. Yeah. So now you see what I just did. So next thing I need to do here is I will raise this up to meet this. Or I will bring it down and also merge. Okay, let me remove this. Let me delete this. Let me delete this space here. This one will be here. So I'll put that space here. I will just put a border here. Then I will put that white space here. I will just merge this. I will merge this. So it's just a little bit creativity that I'm doing. I will raise this up. So I will just raise it up. I will have something like this. Okay, I will expand to the extreme small. All right. So now, pretty fine. I've gotten this. The next thing I need to do is I want to bring out all the plan and actual. I want to bring out all the plan and actual. Okay. So and what I need to do is just simple as well. So now I will come down here. I will start asking myself question: how do I arrange it? Okay. First thing is I will select a range of space. Here I will say progress summary. Say progress summary. Okay. So under progress summary, I will just give some space here. Here I will put plan value. I will put plan value. Or I will just put plan percent. Plan percent, okay. Then I will put here I will put n value or I'll put okay, let me make it planned percent, and here I will put n value. I will put a bracket, put percent. Okay. I want it to be wrap. Yeah. I want this to also be wrap. Okay. Then I will put here now. I will put variance. I will put variance VS schedule variance. I know most of us must have been hearing it. VS. So after the variance, next thing I will put is index, or I put status. I will put status. Then after status, I will put after status here. I will just put comment. So all this now will just be comments. So I'll merge it together. I'll put comment and remark. I'll put remark or stroke remark. Okay. So pretty fine. I will merge this one also together. I will merge everything here together. Okay. So I will just take all of them up, centralize them, let them be wrapped where necessary, and then let me expand this to more. Okay. And I will increase, I will bold it. Okay. Apply border. Increase the font to possibly 12. Yeah. Then I'll make sure they are centered. Yeah. So this last one, I won't center it. I will send it to the S team. I will send it to the S team. Okay. I will do individual border because I want the demarcation to be clear. I will do individual border. Okay. I think it's fine. And I will put color. I will put color. Let me apply the same color here. Yep. All right. I want to insert a column here. I just want a small space with a white background to be here. So I will merge this. I will merge this. I will go up a little bit. All right. So this is what it is. Okay. So I'm just trying to create a small dashboard. Okay. If you are paying attention, what I'm doing is just to create a small dashboard, and the whole idea behind this is using your Excel skill. This one is not planning. Please take note. Yeah. If you can use Excel, you understand what I'm doing, and you can do it better. So it's nothing like planning here again. It's just Excel skill to do one or two things. Okay. So now the next item is I want to create the project summary. Okay. So now first thing is I will go here and I will count how many WBS I have. I will come back here. I will say how many WBS do I have? I will say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I will go and number them in my here. I will put the numbering. I will say 1. Okay, I will press enter. I will do 2. I will do 3. I will do 4. I will do 5. I will do 6. Then this numbering now, I will open this numbering, center it, make it 2 decimal points. So it will be 1.0. Okay, sorry, 1 decimal point, 1.0. I will also bold it, but nevertheless, yeah, I will put border. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing I will do is I will merge this one together. So I will click on it. I will say merge. Then I will use the autofill to merge others. These 3 cells, I will merge them together. Okay. Then I will come to each of them. I will press. Okay. I will press equal sign. I will go to this. I will press. This is overall. I will press overall. I will press enter. I will press equal sign. I'm just doing what we call linking. So the whole idea is that if I change the spelling from this template, I shouldn't come here to change anything. Automatically, it should change. I will press equal sign. I will go here. I will take the next one, which is mobilization. I will press equal sign. I will go here. I will take the next one, which is engineering. I'll press enter. I'll press equal sign. I will take the next one, which is procurement. I'll press enter. Here, I will press equal sign. I will take the next one, which is site works. It's like I omitted one. So, not issue. I will still go ahead and I will do this. Okay. Here, I will just extend this one. Then I'll put 7 here. Okay. So this one now, I'll just do equal sign. I will go back here and I will take the last one, which is the mob and closure. the mob and closure. So pretty fine. I can merge all these ones together now. I can put, let me put this first. Let me put this, and I will put a thick border around it. Okay. So this one now, I can take them, increase the font to 14, increase the font to 14. Yeah. I'll take it to stay one side, and I'll bold it. Yeah. So pretty fine. So this, let me autofill this one. I don't like this. Okay, I just want to close that out. I don't want that. Okay. So now, this is where the business, the game started. Okay, this is where we have the main key now. Okay. Now, I just want each time I update, I'll be able to see my value automatically just by changing the date. So I'll come here, I'll put a date. Okay. And the date I'm going to put, I will go here. All the date you'll be putting, please take note. The date you must make sure the date is in line with this date. 7, 14, 21. Okay. So I'll take 14. 7. I want to test run it. I will come here. I will put 7th. Let me say 7th. 7th. Okay, 25. I'll press enter. Is it converting to date for me? Yep. So you can use any date format that you want actually. Okay. You can use any date format that you want. So you can go here to format this to give you any date format that you want. So you can come here and you click here. On that date here, you change the date format that you want. So you can do something like this. Let me say I use something like this. Okay. Yeah. So just give you 7th July 2024. So you just the date format you want. So I will start. I want to look at what I want to do. I want if I click 7 here, the value I will get here, I will write an Excel formula that will come down here and check this 7th and pick this value for me. And if there's any value here, it should just pick only this one for me under the plan. If I change it to 30, it should come here and pick this value for me and display it here under overall. That's just the formula I want to write. A formula that can scan through this list of data, check the date, come down on this particular row and pick this particular number for me or any other number based on the date and display it here. Just by changing this date, the formula we use in hand, do that scanning, pick the date, go to the value, pick it and display the value for me. And the formula that will help you to do that is called hedge lookup. So we call it horizontal lookup. We are looking up for a value horizontally, right? So and the formula is very simple. Okay, nothing to bother yourself about. Now let's go. First thing I do is I write S sign. I'll put hedge lookup. You can see the lookup value here, right? The lookup formula is out. I will accept it. So it's giving me option. It's asking me lookup value. Which value am I going to use to do the scanning? I will say use this date here. I will click on this date. I will put a comma. It's asking another question. Which table? What is the table array? Which table are we going to scan? Which table am I going to search this data from? I will go to this. I will select all the whole table here. From here, I will take it down to the last date. I will take it down to the last data. Okay. Right? I will put a comma. It will answer another question. Look at the question here. It's asking me what is the index row? This index row means which row do you want me to pick if I eventually find this data? So I will now go and count. I will start from this first one. I will count 1. I want you to pick this row 5. Then but I will count it in the table, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the fourth row in my table. But from the Excel line is 5. Because of this item that I put here is now 4 in my table. Please take note. So what I will do is I will write 4 here. I will put 4 here. Okay, I will put comma. It's not telling me if the search or scan did not see this value, what will I do? Should it take the one that is approximate? Let's assume there is no 4 rule, but there is 3. Can I take the 3 rule? Let's assume there is no 4 rule, but there is the 5th rule. Should I take the 5th rule? I said no. If you did not see it, return nothing. Either I say false or I use 0. For most of us who understand the principle of 0 and 1 in terms of computation, whereby they say 0 is off, 0 is false, 1 is on, and 1 is true. So that's what we are going to apply. Approximate match is 1. I said no, don't use approximate match. Use exact match, which is 0. I'll put 0 here, or you type false to accept it. I will close the bracket, right? I need to lock this cell because I don't like this cell moving because I'm going to do copy. Okay, before I lock it, let's activate this. So automatically, see, it's giving me this value. Now, this value is the same as this. Is it the same as this? Well, this one is in percent. So let me convert this one in percent. I will come here, click on percentage sign. Then I click on 2 decimal point. 2.42. Let me go and check it back. On the 7th is 2.42. Now let's check on the 21st. What happened? 15.62. I will just simply go here and change this date to 21st. I will change it to 21st. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake in the date. So I will change it to 21st. It will give me 15.62. If I go back here on the 21st, I'm seeing 15.62. So it's not a magic, it's just a formula. So I will allow you to react at this point. Haven't seen this, right? I will allow you to react before I proceed to write the remaining ones, and we'll just do copy and paste, and that's all. Any question? Any question? Sorry, am I audible? Okay, now can you hear me? Blessing. Okay, Chaso. So is there any question from anybody? Or are we good?
Although I'm not good though. So I went off at some point.
At which point? At which point? Let's know.
At the point whereby you are still doing the what's it called? The computation for the S-curve. That's before you got to this sheet now that you are on. That's why I just went off. I don't know.
Okay, just understand this one. This video will be out tomorrow. So I'll publish the video. You can take your time and go through it. So, but just understand this particular aspect. So the S-curve aspect is one particular session, right? You know, we have done the first class on S-curve. In fact, the third class. This is third class now. So, but this one, I just want to make it more elaborate by including the template. Okay. And then this is what we call the reporting format. You will see report. So this is what you send it across, right? Or you screenshot it, paste it in other reports, and then that's all. Okay. So, but just understand this particular one. When you watch the video, there are questions we can discuss it in our next class.
It's all right. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Blessing, you are laughing. Is it confusing?
I was laughing. It's confusing.
Seriously. All right. Let me do for the M value. Possibly before we must have finished the M value and do the variance, you understand what we are doing. Okay. Now for the M value, the same thing. Okay. So now what I should have done is to copy and paste, but because you guys say it's confusing, I will just do it all over again. Now all you need to do is this. You can mute your mic. So now look at the principle here. For the actual, look at the value I want to pick. I want to pick this value on row 8. So, but inside my table, this is the row 1 of my table. The row 2 is plan man hour. Row 3 is cumulative plan man hour. Row 4 is cumulative plan man hour percent. Row 5 is actual man hour. Row 6 is cumulative actual man hour. Row 7 in my table, the cumulative actual man hour percent is row 7. Okay? And I want my formula. Let's please mute your mic. Unless you want to talk, you raise your hand up. So I want my formula to be picking this row 7 from my table. Okay? Anytime I change the date, it will pick any value that is there. Right? So now what will I do? I just go to my table. I want to work for the actual now. Right? Okay, let me put this actual man hour so that it will not look confusing. Then let me put this plan man hour. Okay, so I want it to pick the actual man hour. I will put equals to, I will type H lookup. The H lookup will be off, right? The H lookup is requesting something. Just always watch this instruction that comes out each time you are using formula. It's telling you the first one is in black color, telling you this is the one you need to activate now. It says lookup value. Which value are you looking up? Which value do you want to use to do the scanning or search? I said use this date. I'll click on it. Okay, as soon as I click on it, it will now, I will press comma. As soon as I press comma, it will activate the thick black color to the next one. Say, what is the array? Array means the table. The table array means the table you want to search. I will go back here and I will select this table, but I will start from here. I will start from here. I will select this entire table from the beginning to the end. I will stop here. Okay? Yeah. I will put comma again. If you put comma, it will tell you again, look at here. It's asking me what is the index number. So after counting, the index number is 7. And how did I get the 7? I counted from the beginning here to this number. From the date to this number. The last cumulative, which is the one I want to pick, is 7. So I will type 7 here. So it's now, I will put a comma. It will now request for do I want true or false. I will say false. If I take false here, okay, it will activate false. But I like using 0. But it will still do the same thing for you. I will close it. I will press enter. Now it's giving me 0. Why is it giving me 0? There's no value here. On the 27th, no value. On the 21st, no value. If I come here and put 23, automatically, if I go here, a value will be here. Now it's giving me 0.3 because I've not converted it to percent. If I click on percent, it will form the 23 for me. Right? This is exactly how it is. So now instead of going here to pick this value manually and update my report, I will just do these formulas, come here and change my date. If I change my date, automatically this values will change. So bless now, I don't know whether this one is clear now. Okay. So let's just proceed. So the next thing here is the variance. Okay. The variance is very simple. You just write equals to. You click on actual minus plan. Just the variance. Nothing else. It's giving you 77.38%. Now, whenever this variance is 0, it means you are on schedule. You are just doing exactly what you have planned. So when this variance itself is above 0, it means you are ahead of schedule. And when this variance is minus sign, which is below 0, it means you are below schedule. Take note. Now we want to put an indicator. So this indicator will always tell us if this variance is 0, let it give us green. If it's more than 0, let it also give us green. But if it's less than 0, which means from 0 to 0.04 or 0.4, it should give us red. It will give us amber. But when it exceeds 0. -4 to 0.-5 and above, it will give us red. So what does that mean? It means within the 0.1 to 0. Minus 0. That is 0. minus 0.1 to minus 0.4. It means we are within tolerant level. At that point, yes, we can be managing it and be recovering it small. But when it has exceeds -4 to -5, it means you are now under a threat that if you don't recover your schedule, you need to baseline. You might not meet up the agreed planned finish date. So we put it red. So it's not obvious that we are not doing well. So we use amber. We use icon to represent it. So now, what I do first to do that is I'll press equal sign and I will send this value inside there. Okay, the value is here now. Okay, that's the first step. Now the second step is I will make this value ordinary number. I will go here and make this value general. Okay, it's just ordinary number. I can make it to decimal point. Good and fine. So, but I want it should be ordinary number. Okay, yeah. So that is it here. So the next thing I need to do here is I will now go under conditional formatting. I will click on conditional formatting. I will click on icon. Okay. Then I will say manage row. It will bring it like this for me. I will first of all I will come here. I will say now if the value is greater than or equals to 0, I'll put 0 here. Okay. I will change this to a number. It should just be a number. If it's greater than or equals to 0, let it be green color. Then if it's less than or equals to here, I will put minus 0.04. Okay. I will also change it to number. Okay. The minus has leave. I'll put minus 0.04. Let it give me amber. X, let it give me red. I will say okay. So automatically it's greater than is giving me minus green, right? Now let me go and reduce that value in such a way that it should give me. This one is 15. I will make it. Let me just make it 15 only. Yeah. Let's see what it will give me as the variance. Okay. So it's giving me amber. Is minus 1. Right? Let me reduce it more. Let me reduce it more to where it will be more than minus 0.4. I will make it. This time around, I will make it 12. Okay, it's just 0.4. So it's still giving me amber. So I will go ahead and I will make it. This time around, let me make it 11. It has changed to red. Now, since it's working fine, I will hide this number. I don't want anybody to see this number. I will go back to my formatting. I will take manage row. I will come here. I will say edit row. I will click show only icon. It will hide that number for me. I will click OK. I will say apply. I will say OK. So it's showing me only this. I will now come here and I will center it. Arrange it very well. Okay. So this is how we get this value. So automatically my date will be driving these things. Okay. I'm not going to use hand to start changing these things manually. No. Right. So this is the comment now. I will take this comment. I will merge it. So if there's any comment here, I can put the comment. Yes. But if there is none, I can leave it. So I will also pause for question before I do all that. So all that I will just be using copy and paste. So I don't need to start doing it afresh again. That's the principle. I will use copy and paste and I will automatically run through them sharp. And I think that will be the end of the class for today. So any question before we proceed and then we'll wrap up with that. All right. Now,
Now,
next thing I need to
next thing
do
I need
is
to
I
do
want to
is
do
I
for
want to do
this.
for this.
So now I
So
don't need
now
to
I
start
don't need
writing
to
this
start
thing
writing this
again.
thing
I will do
again. I
copy
will
and
do copy
paste.
and paste.
So before I
So
do
before
copy
I
and
do
paste, I
copy and
will
paste, I
lock
will
some
lock
cell.
some
I will
cell.
click
I
on
will
this
click on
cell.
this cell.
I will lock
I will
this
lock
date so
this
that the
date
date
so
will
that the
not
date will not
shift. I
shift.
will press
I will press
F4. I
F4.
will lock
I
it.
will lock
Put
it.
dollar sign
Put
at the
dollars
beginning
at the
and at
beginning
the
and at
middle.
the middle.
I will also
I will
lock.
also lock.
I will
I
lock
will lock
my
my
table.
table.
Okay.
Okay.
Put dollar
Put
sign at
dollar
the
sign at the
beginning
beginning
and the
and
end
the
of
end
this.
of
Okay.
this. Okay.
Then
Then
I will
I
press
will press
enter.
enter.
I will do
I
the
will
same
do the
thing
same
for
thing for
this.
this.
I will
I
lock
will lock
this.
this.
Okay, it's just
Okay.
pretty the
It's just
same
pretty the same
formula.
formula.
So there's no need to
So there's no need
lock
to
two of
lock
them. I will
two
use
of
one
them.
formula
I will
because
use
it's
one
just the
formula
same thing.
because it's just
Okay.
okay.
So now I will
So
come
now
here.
I will come here.
Before I copy, I will
Before
ask
I
myself,
copy,
I
I will
want to
ask
do
myself, I
under
want to do on
preliminary, right?
preliminary,
I will
right?
go and
I
count
will
from the
go and
beginning
count
to
from the beginning
preliminary.
to
I will
preliminary.
confirm
I
how many
will
rows. I will
confirm
click
how
here
many
1.
rows. I will here 1.
I will go
I will
2,
go
3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4,
6,
5,
7,
6,
8,
7, 8,
9, 10,
9,
11,
10,
12.
11,
So
12.
for
So
preliminary,
for
I have
preliminary, I
12.
have
So to
12.
make this
So
thing
to
more
make this
simple,
thing
I will
more
reduce
simple,
all
I
this
will
one
reduce all this
line
one
so
line
that my
so that
counting will not
my
be
counting
much.
will not be much.
So let me reduce
So let
all
me
this
reduce all this
line
one
here.
line here.
So I can also
So
do
I
what we
can also
call,
do what we call,
let me delete.
let
I'm
me
deleting
delete.
the
I'm
one line
deleting the
is
one
two
line is
spaces
two
that I give.
spaces
But
that I give. But
on the second thought
on the
now,
second thought
I just
now,
want to
I
remove
just want to
the
remove
two
the
spaces and
two
let it be
spaces
only
and
one
let it
spaces
be
per
only one spaces
cell.
per
Okay.
cell. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
All
So now
right.
the first
So
one I
now
will
the first
start.
one I'll
You can use
start
your pen and write it down
pen and
instead
write
of
it
going
instead
back
of
and
being
coming
back
front. So you can
and
just
from.
take a
You
pen
can
like for
just
me now. That's
like for
exactly
me
what I
now.
want
That's
to do.
exactly what I want to do. I don't want to
Okay.
back.
So I
Okay.
will write it down.
I will start.
I will count it
I
now,
will
and
count it
as I'm
now, and
counting
as
it, I'm
I'm
writing it
counting it,
down.
I'm writing it
So I
down.
will start from
So I
number
will start
1,
from number
preliminary.
1, preliminary.
Under preliminary, I
Under
will start my
preliminary, I will
counting
start
here.
my counting here.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4,
6,
5,
7,
6,
8,
7,
9,
8,
10.
9, 10.
So
So
11, 12.
11.
So preliminary, I have 12 and 13 for the actual. 13, I'll
Preliminary,
have
I
14,
have 12
15,
and
16, 17,
13.
18.
13, I'll
So
have
for
14, 15,
mobilization,
16, 17, 18. So for
I
mobilization,
have
I have
18
18
and
and
19.
19.
Engineering and
Engineering and
design,
design,
18,
18,
19,
19,
20,
20,
21, 22,
21,
23, 24.
22, 23, 24.
So engineering and
So
design,
engineering and
I have
design are
24
24
and
and
25.
25.
So we enter into
Enter into
procurement.
procurement.
I will say
I'll say
25,
25,
26,
26,
27,
27,
28,
28,
29,
29,
30.
30.
Procurement is
Procurement is
30
30
and
and
31.
31.
31,
31,
32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
34,
35,
35,
36.
36.
So site
So site
works,
works,
36
36
and
and
37.
37.
I will go
I will go
again,
again,
37,
37,
38,
38,
39,
39,
40,
40,
41,
41,
42.
42.
We have
We
the
have
mob,
the mob,
42
42
and
and
43.
43.
So let me
So let
count the
me
mob
count the mob
again.
again.
37,
37,
38,
38,
39,
39,
40,
40,
41,
41,
42,
42,
and
and
43.
43.
So I
So
have
I
written
have
them
written
down.
them down.
So I don't want
So
to
I don't
come
want
back
to
to
come
this
back to
page
this
while
page
writing the
while writing the
formula. But
formula. But
however, I will
however,
also
I will
run a
also run a
test to
test
make
to
sure
make
they are
sure they
telling
are
me the
telling me
truth.
the truth.
Okay?
Okay?
So let me
So let
start.
me start.
Yeah, I'll just
Yeah, I'll
copy
just copy
this,
this,
or I
or
will
I will
drag it
drag
down.
it down.
I will
I
drag
will
it down
drag it
here.
down here.
Okay? So
Okay?
if I drag it down,
So
it
if
will
I
give
drag
me
it
the
down, it
same
will
value
give me
here.
the
I will
same
now go
value
and
here.
change
I
it.
will now go
I will
and
be
change
changing only
it.
this.
I will be changing
On the
only
plan
this.
for preliminary
On
is
plan
12.
for
Instead of
preliminary
4,
is
now I will
12.
change it to
Instead of
12.
now I will change
I
it
will
to 12.
press enter.
I will press enter.
It gives me the
It
value.
gives me
It's
the
telling me that
value. It's
preliminary
telling me that
on
preliminary on
21st has
21st
finished. Let me go
has
and confirm.
finished. Let me go
I
and
come
confirm.
to
I
preliminary
come
and
to
I check
preliminary and I check
21st.
21st.
I check 21st on
I check
preliminary. It
21st
has
on
finished. You
preliminary.
see,
It
it's
has finished.
correct.
You see, it's
Okay.
correct.
So let
Okay.
me
So
froze
let me
this. I want
froze
to froze
this.
this
I want to
column so
froze this
that
column so that
I won't be be going. I won't be. Yeah. I'll click on froze panel. I will say froze this panel. So I don't want the date to be shifting again. Okay. So Under preliminary, we are done on the 21st of preliminary. You can see we have this activated. Okay. So now I will go to the next one. The next one here is cumulative. Okay. So under the cumulative now, I will bring this one down. Remember, there is no value there. So I will put this one down, and what I need to do is to change this and put starting. I will press enter. So it's giving me 0. I will just select this one, everything here. I will just draw them down. Okay, this one is giving me minus 100 and it's also giving me 0. I want to format this thing at the same time so that I won't keep on formatting them individually. Oh, yeah. Let's just make everything here bold. Yeah. Okay. So this is correct. So I can go ahead and verify this by putting value. I can go here under preliminary 21st. I can put 10. Let me put 10. I will press enter. Then I will go back here and check whether my 10 is displaying. So the 10 is not displaying. So it means there is a mistake here. So I need to confirm the mistake. Okay, sorry, I did not lock this cell. So you see why you need to lock your cell. I did not lock this cell. I dragged from here and I did not lock it. So I will copy from this one. I will paste it from this one. And I will increase it by 1, which is 13. I'll press enter. So you see the 10 is here. So that's why, please take note, you should try as much as you can to lock your cell. Now it's locked. I will move it to the next one. I will just change this value. This is 18. I will change this one. It's 18 under mobilization. I will come here and I'll press 18. I'll press enter. It's giving me 35% plan. And here I will press 19. So I'll go and verify mobilization as well. Okay, so under mobilization 21st is giving 35.4. So let me type in something here. Here I will type 20. I will type 20. If I come down here, it's giving me the 20. It means it's picking the accurate value. So I will take another one. I will just take another one, go down. So the next one is engineering and design is 24 and 25. I will come here, I'll put 24. I'll put 24. I will press enter. So it's giving me this value. Here I'll put 25. I'll put 25. It's giving me this value. I will go back here to confirm. This is what I'll validate now. Let me check if this one will give me 30. I will go back to the formula. It's giving me 30 accurate value. I will take everything here again. I'll go to the next one. Here, the next one, which is procurement, is 30 and 31 under procurement. So I'll come here. I will do 30. I'll press enter. I will do 30. I'll press enter. What happened? This one is 30. Okay, this one is 31. Okay, so nothing in procurement yet. We have not started procurement, but I need to validate this. I will go back. I will say under procurement. Under procurement. 21st under procurement, you see 00. So if I come here, if you type anything here, it will come. But let me use this one and test it. I will just put 40 because there's no formula in it. I will just put 40. Okay, so automatically my 40 is coming. So I'll go into site was. I will go into site was. So under site was here is 36 and 37. So I'll just come here and I'll type 6. I already have 3 there, so I just type 6. And here I will type 7. We already have 3, so if you put it together, it gives you this. So absolutely is correct, but I can test run it as well. But before that, let me do the last one. The last one mobilization is 42 and 41. So I will remove the 36 and put 42. And The next one I will put 41. Sorry, 43. Okay, so this is pretty fine how it works. So nothing to bother yourself. Your duty here is just come here, pick your value from your PCs, update your schedule, your PMS, right? Your SCOV data. Here I will just rename this to data. Then here I will rename this to progress dashboard. Okay. So, and I will just come here every week. All I need to do is to come here and change my date. If I come here now, I can just say, okay, 14th. Let me know what happened on the 14th. I'll press 14th. All the progress will change. All the progress and the amber will indicate. So for comments now, these ones have not started. So I will say not started. I can just come here and say not started or yet to commence. I'll say yet to commence. Okay. The same thing here. So I can just come here. These ones that have not started, I'll put here to commence. So somebody will know that they have not started. Then this one now, I can put any comment. It can be a delay comment, right? You understand? Or a recovering in progress. So that's just it. So if I forward this thing to anybody, this summarizes our project. So whenever you see red, it means we are not doing well. Whenever you see green, it means we are doing well. Whenever you see amber, it means we are not doing well, but we are within tolerant level. We can manage it. But when you see red, it means it's a no. We are not doing well, absolutely not doing well, and we can manage it. Okay. So I will stop here. Why I yield the floor open for questions. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Other than that, we call the class up at this point. Where I will share this schedule to all of us, including the video recording. Tomorrow you will receive that as well. Do we have comments? So please, what you see me do here, please try your best and practice it. If you practice it, if there are challenges, please let me know so that we can look at it. Any comments? Yeah, James, go ahead.
Okay, please, for us that are having network issue here, can we have a record?
Yes, definitely. The recording, I think, let me confirm. Yes, it's recording, so I can even stop it at this point.